Some ideas take shape on paper, others are forged in steel. At JIKA, ideas are engineered into reality, where innovation meets precision and legacies are built to last, where collaboration drives progress and expertise shapes the extraordinary. First moments of the day, steady, purposeful, and full of promise. A quiet rhythm builds momentum, where every arrival sets the stage for what's to come. Step inside, and the workplace awakens. At JIKA, innovation isn't any individual's effort. It thrives on collaboration, shared expertise, and an unwavering pursuit of excellence. Every detail mapped, every decision measured, ensuring precision in execution and a result where the real and real leave little room for difference. From the smallest detail to the grandest vision, every element is a thread in the fabric of something bigger. From data centers to R&D facilities, JIKA's expertise drives innovation, shaping various industries worldwide.
We at JIKA don't just construct projects, but forge partnerships, delivering excellence right from our first handshake to our final handover.
In this space, every spark tells a story of mastery, where sharp eyes and steady hands ensure nothing less than perfect execution. Products that leave our facility are a testament to our craftsmanship, a symbol of our unwavering commitment to quality and precision.
Collaboration fuels innovation, and every conversation brings us closer to smarter solutions.
Efficiency and precision drive our operations. Every detail and every finish is designed with a purpose, making sure every project meets the highest standards. Beyond creation, our own continues. We support, innovate, and bring reliability in every project we touch.
A space where expertise thrives, where ideas gain momentum, and teamwork turns possibilities into progress. Here strength and adaptability converge, shaping solutions that serve both function and future. From vision to execution, safety is the foundation of trust, a commitment to protect those who create and those who benefit from what we create. At JIKA, sustainability isn't just a promise, it's a practice. Our factories are designed for efficiency, with zero liquid discharge and reduced environmental impact. More than materials, more than design, we build spaces that empower industries, engineered to evolve with the world.
Our vision is to take India to the world, expanding boundaries and redefining infrastructure at a global scale.
Our legacy is shaped by the impact we leave behind and the opportunities we create for the future. It is a responsibility we carry with purpose. We push boundaries, redefine possibilities, and set new benchmarks with every creation. Because true progress never stands still. JIKA. Design, develop, deploy.